Video ni.
And we also heard names of the saints. Some were kings, and others were all brothers and sisters that in gathered of Mary. It is an important celebration in the whole Catholic Church because she is the mother of our Lord and because she is also our mother. If you are in the presence of a born again Christian or a person who belongs to other beliefs or religion or even to non-believer, and I will ask you, why do we celebrate the birthday of the Blessed